Thinking about web development? Great choice. Web development is about building the websites and apps you use every day. Developers like us create everything from business sites to online games. It's a blend of creativity and logic, a skill that's both fun and valuable. This guide is for beginners, so don't worry if you're starting from scratch. We'll break down the basics and give you a clear roadmap. Why is this journey exciting? You get to build real things people use. Web development can open doors to new careers and opportunities. It's a skill in high demand and only getting more important. We'll cover what web developers do, the different types, and the essential skills you'll need. Think of this as packing your toolkit for the adventure ahead. We'll also point you to the best resources to help you learn. Our goal? Make web development easy to understand and totally achievable. Learning to code can seem tough, but thousands have done it, and you can too. All it takes is time, dedication, and practice. This guide is your friendly first step. Let's get started. Your web development adventure begins now. What does a web developer do? Think of us as the architects and builders of the internet. We write code that tells computers how to display and run websites. Our job is to make sites look good, work well, and solve problems. There are three main types of web developers. Front-end developers focus on what users see and interact with the user interface and user experience. They use HTML for structure, CSS for style, and JavaScript for interactivity. Back-end developers handle what happens behind the scenes, servers, databases, and application logic. They use languages like Python, Node.js, Ruby, or PHP to make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. Full-stack developers do both. They can build an entire web app from start to finish. They handle the user interface and the server-side logic. Full-stack skills offer great versatility and are highly valued. Whether you choose front-end, back-end, or both, you're building the backbone of the digital world. Each path has its own challenges and rewards. Many developers start with one area and expand their skills over time. The best part? You get to choose your own adventure. No matter your path, you'll be creating things people use every day. That's the power of web development. Why pick web development? The demand is huge. Every business needs a website or web app. That means lots of job opportunities and strong job security. Web developers are well paid even at entry level, and your earning potential grows with experience. Many jobs are remote, so you can work from anywhere with a laptop and internet. This flexibility is a big perk. Work from home, a cafe, or while traveling. The field is always evolving, so you'll keep learning and stay challenged. You won't get bored. There's always a new puzzle to solve or technology to master. There's real satisfaction in seeing your work live online, helping people and businesses. You're not just coding, you're building things that matter. Web development offers a modern, flexible, and rewarding career. You can make a real impact and shape the digital world. Plus, you'll join a global community of creative problem solvers. If you want a career with growth, flexibility, and purpose, web development is a fantastic choice. The skills you learn are valuable everywhere. Ready to dive in? To start, you'll need to master some core technologies. HTML is the skeleton of every web page. It structures content like headings, paragraphs, and images. CSS makes your site look great, controlling colors, fonts, and layout. JavaScript brings your pages to life with interactivity, think sliders, pop-ups, and dynamic content. JavaScript is essential for front-end and is also used on the back-end with Node.js. For back-end development, learn a server-side language like Python, Node.js, Ruby, or PHP. You'll also need to understand databases, PostgreSQL, MySQL, or MongoDB store your site's data. Version control with Git is a must. It tracks changes and helps you collaborate. Use platforms like GitHub to host your code and work with others. Debugging is key. Browser developer tools will help you find and fix issues fast. Responsive design ensures your site works on all devices from phones to desktops. CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or Tailwind can speed up your workflow. These tools and skills form the foundation of web development. Start simple, then build up your toolkit as you go. Practice is everything. Build projects to apply what you learn. The more you code, the more confident you'll become. These essentials will set you up for success. Start your journey with the basics: HTML and CSS. Learn to structure pages and style them, then practice by building simple sites. Recreate layouts from websites you like to sharpen your skills. Once you're comfortable, dive into JavaScript. Focus on programming fundamentals, variables, loops, functions, and how JavaScript interacts with HTML, DOM manipulation. Build small projects like calculators or to-do lists to practice. Use Git and GitHub for version control from the start. It's a professional habit. Learn responsive design so your sites look great on any device. Try CSS frameworks to speed up your styling. When you're ready, explore back-end development. Pick a language and learn how servers and databases work. Build full-stack projects that connect your front-end and back-end skills. Consistent practice is key. Keep building and learning. Contribute to open-source projects for real-world experience. Don't get discouraged by challenges. Every developer faces them. Your portfolio will grow with each project. Stay curious and keep pushing your limits. The journey from beginner to web developer hero is all about persistence. You've got this. There are tons of resources to help you learn web development. FreeCodeCamp offers a free interactive curriculum with projects. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy have beginner-friendly courses. Many are affordable or free. MDN WebDocs is your go-to for accurate, up-to-date documentation on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. W3. Schools is great for quick tutorials and references. Learning to read documentation is a vital skill for every developer. YouTube channels like Traversy Media, The Net Ninja, and Programming with Mosh offer project-based tutorials. Watch real coding walkthroughs to see concepts in action. Join communities like Stack Overflow and Reddit's r/WebDev for support and advice. GitHub lets you explore real projects and collaborate with others. Local or online meetups can connect you with fellow learners. Learning with others keeps you motivated and helps you grow. Use these resources to build your skills and confidence. The web development community is here to help you succeed. Your portfolio is your most important asset as a web developer. It shows employers what you can actually build, more than any certificate. Start building projects early, even simple ones, and add them to your portfolio. Aim for 3 to 5 quality projects that showcase different skills. Include at least one project with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and one full-stack project if possible. Deploy your projects online using Netlify, Vercel, or GitHub pages. For each project, write a clear description, list the technologies used, and link to the live site and source code. Briefly mention any challenges you overcame. It shows problem-solving skills. Build your portfolio website yourself. It's a project too. Keep the design clean, user-friendly, and fully responsive. Add an About Me section and make your contact info easy to find. Link to your GitHub and LinkedIn profiles. Your portfolio is your professional storefront. Make it shine. Let your work speak for you. Ready for your first web developer job? Start with a strong, tailored resume that highlights your skills and projects. Write a cover letter that shows your passion and eagerness to learn. Apply even if you don't meet every requirement. Enthusiasm counts. Networking is key. Connect with developers and recruiters on LinkedIn, and join online communities. Attend meetups or virtual events to expand your network. Prepare for technical interviews by practicing coding challenges on sites like LeetCode or HackerRank. Be ready to explain your thought process and solve problems live. Expect behavioral questions about teamwork and problem solving. Don't get discouraged by rejection. Learn from each experience and keep going. Once you land a job, keep learning. Web tech evolves fast. Stay updated with new tools, frameworks, and best practices. Read blogs, follow developers, and listen to podcasts. Contribute to open-source projects to grow your skills. Work on your soft skills. Communication and teamwork matter as much as coding. Your career is a journey. Keep building, learning, and growing. You're ready to make your mark in web development.